In this video, we will demonstrate how to adjust the blade height. The gap, or blade to substrate distance, is adjusted by rotating both micrometers simultaneously. First, carefully lower the blade toward the substrate by turning the coarse adjustment screws, located at the center of each micrometer, clockwise. When the blade touches the substrate, turn both coarse adjustment screws counterclockwise to raise the blade slightly. Next, press and rotate the fine adjustment screw clockwise 2 complete turns to set the 0 point. Another way to set the 0 point is to manually lower the blade, then press and rotate the fine adjustment screw until the clicking sound is heard, indicating that the 0 point has been reached. Now, observe the horizontal scale of the micrometer, graduated from 0 to 50. 1 complete revolution corresponds to a displacement of 500 micrometers, meaning each division on the scale represents 10 micrometers. Choose a reference line on the scale and monitor its position during the adjustment. To obtain a 300 micrometers gap from the 0 point, simultaneously turn both coarse adjustment screws counterclockwise until the 300 micrometers mark is reached, keeping both micrometers at the same position to ensure that the blade remains level.